Mastering everyday English. Riding someone's tail. Hello, and welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to help you speak like a native. Today, we're unpacking a fascinating phrase you might hear on the roads or in movies: riding someone's tail. Understanding these expressions can really help you grasp the nuance of English conversations. So, let's get started. Riding someone's tail is an idiomatic expression primarily used in the context of driving. When someone says they're riding someone's tail, they mean that they're driving very closely behind another vehicle, often in an aggressive or impatient manner. This phrase can also metaphorically extend to situations outside of driving, indicating someone is being pressured or closely monitored by another person. While the exact origins of this phrase are a bit murky, it's clearly rooted in the visual imagery of one vehicle closely following another, almost as if they are attached, or riding the tail, of the one in front. Over time, this phrase has been adopted into everyday language to describe any situation where someone feels closely watched or pressured, not just in driving. It's commonly used in both formal and informal settings, but you'll find it especially prevalent in discussions about driving habits or in workplace contexts where someone might feel like their boss is constantly on their tail. To help you understand how to use riding someone's tail, here are a few examples. In driving, I wish that car behind us would stop riding my tail. It's making me nervous. In the workplace, I can't seem to get any peace at work. My manager is always riding my tail about deadlines. In general pressure situations, ever since I got the lead role in the play, my co-star has been riding my tail, trying to outdo me at every rehearsal. These examples show how versatile the expression is and how it can be adapted to various scenarios beyond its literal meaning. Understanding phrases like riding someone's tail is crucial for non-native speakers, not only to comprehend English better but also to appreciate the cultural nuances that come with language. This phrase embodies a certain level of frustration or annoyance with being closely followed or monitored, reflecting a broader cultural emphasis on personal space and independence. We hope this exploration of riding someone's tail has illuminated a new corner of the English language for you. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one are a window into the cultural attitudes and social norms of native speakers. Keep tuning in for more insights into English expressions, and never hesitate to dive deeper into the phrases that catch your ear. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.